Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima. In the last video, I explained about my plan about making my black Strat, which is going to sound like a red Strat, inspired by Mr. David Gilmour. And we unboxed it, but that is not enough. We know that I need to buy a guitar for that uh, pre-wired pickup setups. So in this video, beside the unboxing, I'm going to explain why I purchased this certain guitar. It's not hidden, it's in the title of this video, but I'm going to give you some reasons. So obviously I'm not a famous guitar player. I don't have the audience as Mr. David Gilmour has. So I thought I don't need to buy an expensive guitar. So the first choice came to my mind was to buy a Squire 50 Vibe Stratocaster, um, which is reasonable. But there was one problem. If I want to make a Fender Stratocaster guitar like Mr. David Gilmour as an inspiration, I cannot have a Squire on the headstock. It's owned by Fender, but it's not Fender. It's something else. So that was that was not my choice. So I thought, and I on the other side, on the American-made guitars, uh, my ideal guitar was American Pro 2, and the best choice was American Ultra. But both of them were too expensive for my budget. So I focused on uh, the Mexican Strats by Fender, and which is Player Series, Player Plus, and Vintera. I already have a player guitar, which I already introduced in this channel many times, and which was not an option. Especially, I was a little bit obsessed about the color of the neck. I preferred to have a Play Plus. Why? Because the color was, um, the neck color was more close to what I wanted to have, and the radius of the neck was 12 inch. And I already mentioned American Ultra, which has a compound radius from 10 inch to 14 inch as you close to the body of the guitar from the headstock, which is the best thing I think I can play. But obviously I have to pay a lot of more money. So because of that reason, and because I already play Gibson Les Paul Tribute with 12 inch, I already know it's a good option. But unfortunately for me, Player Plus series doesn't have a guitar in black. So that's why I went to Vintera 2 with a black body, and the neck of the Vintera is the uh, pretty close color to. I think the best option is to buy American Pro. That's the color of the neck, which is match David Gilmour color of the neck. But the option number 2 is Vintera 2. And I didn't know that before, but it seems you can comment, you can write comment right down below. But I didn't know the radius of the neck of the black Strat uh, is 7 and a quarter of an inch. Um, I thought he plays something at least like 9.5 or maybe compound radius, but on the internet I googled it. It says that he's still playing 7.25 of an inch. But please tell me, I don't know. But anyway, uh, and that's the only concert I have at the time. The neck is V shape. We're going to open it and I'm going to play it, I have no idea if this guitar is playable from my fingers or not. So now it's a time I'm going to unbox the guitar and we're going to see what is my reaction to that guitar. And if we have time, we're going to play a couple of notes. If not, I'm going to do it in the next video. So stay tuned. So this is a box from the Fender with a letter G on it. I think it's for guitar, or it stands for guitar. And this box was inside another box from the dealer. And basically here I'm trying to figure out how to open this box. The only clue I have right now is that which side is the upside. It took actually 5 minutes for me to find the solution, and I'm just trying to open this box very carefully. And that was successful. I just need to remove this thing here. And this is a gig bag from the Fender. Just need to find a way to remove this box. And I'm going to... The guitar is inside this, definitely. And this is another thing from the inside of the box, and I'm going to show you right away that now it's empty inside the box. And inside this gig bag is the guitar. The gig bag gives fairly good protection to the guitar, but I mean, in this range, in this price, I rather to have a case. It's not that expensive. So I'm just trying to figure out what is what and how to take this out. This is a silicone to protect the guitar, and also it's protect the neck from the strings. Very good finish on the guitar, nice color, nice black color, and nice whites. This is the another view, and all of the attachments like quality control, signature, and you can see the headstock with the vintage tuner machine and the Fender logo. The finish on the neck is beautiful. And you can see the bridge, vintage bridge, and vintage pickups, volume knobs, and tone knobs. It clicks when you, but it feels very soft, but it clicks at the 1 and a 10, which is not very bad idea. And you see the bodies from the Alder And as I mentioned, everything is vintage. This is the back side of the neck. It's not sticky. And also these papers, online lesson. I don't know, I have no idea if you buy a pretty expensive guitar in this price, why you need online lessons. But I have no idea. Maybe you need some pro lessons. And inside the other bags, there are a couple of things. First of all, this is I think it is called hex wrench or Allen wrench, which is for adjusting the truss rod on the guitar, which is very odd nowadays. And this is a tremolo bar or arm. I prefer the shorter one. It's very difficult to find similar to David Gilmour. I tried. There is none, at least around me in Europe. And that was the logo, and here's I don't know, introduction to Fender guitar or instruction. There are a couple of information inside this notebook or whatever, about the strings, about the bridge. So I'm going to read it later. Anyway, as I mentioned before, the plan is to remove all the electronic pickguard pickups from this guitar and install the EMG's DG20 that I already showed you in another video, the previous video. But I try to compare this guitar like this, in this vintage style, with Fender player in the next video, and then I'm going to remove all the electronics. So thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and to the next video. Take care.